You can literally shift your reality to experience what you want. You can wake up in the reality where you have the love that you want, the money, the business growth, where you have a successful business, or where you're traveling, where you have the type of lifestyle that you want, where you have free time, where you are in your dream job, your dream house, with perfect health, the appearance, the body that you want. Whatever you desire, that means that it's available for you. That means that it's possible for you. And the whole reason why it's possible to even jump timelines, it's possible to shift into your desired reality, is backed by quantum physics. It's basically, in a nutshell, saying that there are infinite realities, infinite versions of you. And as the creator of your reality, you have the ability to select and choose whichever one that you want to experience through your focus, your intention, your awareness, because you are pure consciousness. So whatever you're selecting with your decision, with your intention behind it, right? Whenever you're basically claiming it, you're claiming it like, yes, I'm claiming that reality is literally mine. I am that version of myself who is experiencing this type of reality. So that's why I share other videos, which you can go check out, where I say to state I'm only available for, insert whatever it is that you want. So drop below in the comments, I claim it, right? So I claim whatever it is that you're manifesting. So to shift realities, essentially what you're going to do is, first of all, number one, you're going to get clear on what do you actually want? What is your desire? Okay, so a lot of people want to jump timelines, they want to jump realities, they want to manifest, but they don't actually have clarity on specifically what do they actually want, okay? So you're going to get clear on what it is that you want, what you're going to manifest, what you want to experience, and then what you're going to do is you're going to, in the seat of your own power, knowing that you're the creator of your reality, you're going to make a declaration, you're going to make a decision, you're going to make an intention that you're waking up in the reality where you already have that, where that is already true, where you're already that person who has exactly what you want. You're already that person who's in the loving, committed relationship with your person, with your partner, with the love of your life, your soulmate, whatever word you want to use, where you are in the reality where you have that money in your bank account, you're having the success inside your business, you already have the clients, you already are in your dream job, you're already in your dream home, okay? So that's the next thing, is to make that decision, make that declaration, even state it out loud, claim it as already being done, okay? So you can do this when you first wake up in the morning and before you go to sleep, and then you're going to back this with visualization. So you're going to visualize, right? So third step, you're going to visualize when you wake up and before you go to sleep, throughout the day, as you wish, as it feels good. This is not about trying to do a million techniques that don't actually feel good, that feel like a chore and take you into a state of not actually having it, right? But this is visualizing to be in the enjoyment of you already experiencing it. So you're going to bring a scene into your mind where you are waking up in your desired reality and you're going to see yourself celebrating, right? You're going to see yourself celebrating and you're going to see yourself just stating how grateful you are that you have what you want, right? So you might see yourself like throwing your hands up in the air, smiling, cheering, celebrating, like literally however you would naturally do it, that is naturally yours. Maybe you would just walk about with more certainty and conviction, like, yes, like you feel like an absolute badass, like, yes, I knew I could do it. I knew that I am this powerful. Because it's whatever comes naturally to you, right? You're the creator of your reality. Every single person is unique. Every single person is different. So remember that, Run with whatever naturally feels good for you, okay? So that's what you're going to do. You're going to see yourself waking up in your desired reality, already having it, celebrating already having it. Maybe you are even telling people that you have it. You're telling people about your manifestations if you already have it. So you're maybe telling a friend or a family member, or you just see a very simple flash shot, like 2-second image or little movie, right? That symbolizes, that shows your subconscious brain, because it doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality, that is what you're experiencing right now. That is how you select and choose a different reality. And we're doing this all day, every day. We've been doing this literally since we came here, right? Since you were born, you have always had this ability to manifest. You've always had this ability to choose your reality. It's just simply unlearning all of the limited stories, programming, conditioning that people told you that life was this way and love was this way and money is this way for you and you are this person. You have to shed all of that and come back to your limitless power as the creator of your reality, and then get clarity on what you want, make the decision and intention, the declaration that it is already yours and you're in that reality now, you're waking up in that reality. And 3, you're going to reinforce that to your subconscious mind with the visual effect. Okay? So that is how to shift your reality. And again, you can just do that as a practice every day. And that will keep you anchored in, number 1, your power, your ability to consciously select your reality. But 2, it will also give your subconscious mind direction in what you actually want. So it's like putting in GPS coordinates. It's like putting in your destination into the sat nav, right? So your subconscious mind literally knows where to go. Your reality knows what to bring you, right? Because you are giving it the instruction. That's how you give it the instruction to bring you into that reality, okay? So again, it doesn't have to take time. This isn't about paying attention to time, circumstances. Literally, this is all about going within, using your power to consciously select the reality that you desire, because if you can desire it, if you can visualize it, if you can even state that that is your reality now, right? If you can claim that, if you can speak about it, if you can conceive of it, if you can think about it, then that means that it's already done. It's already done. So you're simply aligning yourself with that reality, okay? You're seeing yourself as someone who already has it, and eventually reality has to bend to your will. And there's no time frame on that, okay? It can happen extremely fast. It literally has there's no limits on this. There's literally no limits, okay? So have fun with this. Again, for anyone who wants to work with me, links will be down below. Have an amazing rest of your day. I know this has been helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.